GMT taking everything into account. Bull control. GMT's actually current cost activities rose 36.35 in 7 days in a very major method. The 24-hour trading volume for Stpn is essentially drifting at 346,717,663, which is absolutely critical in every manner. In big, the current Stepn cost is 0.29.19 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly lead you through the Stepn cost examination for now, or for the next week, and generally aim to answer them routinely in a true sense, gained clarity on some facts. What in a real sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Stepn sort of is GMT, and especially wise interest in an essentially significant manner Stpn support and obstruction levels and so forth, and in a sort of significant manner be that as it may. Prior to plunging truly profound into the GMT specialized investigation, really let us generally discuss the by and large current economic situations, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking market examination over the previous 24 hours. Revealed a loss of 1.84, bringing the total cryptographic money markets to 1,188,816,136,743, all things considered, in contradiction to popular thought. The fundamentally full exchanging volume basically stays at 30,093,17822. Therefore the 24-hour exchanging volume for Stpn basically stays at 346,717,663, which is actually enormous. Bitcoin holds 48.37% of the entry market, while Barium has a strength of 16.33%, which has caused Bitcoin's cost to fall to 29,837.66% after a decay of 0.14% in a really significant way, while Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to 1899.9 cents in the previous 24 hours, which is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog XRP Exchange, these events fundamentally demonstrate that the market is generally descending at the present time, demonstrating how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours there was a loss of 1.84, bringing the truly entire cryptographic money market to 1,198,816,136,743, or so they by and large bought. As of now, a general sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market actually opposes popular thinking. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become more dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly shows that Stepn support and obstruction levels and so on. The help and opposition levels of Stepn GMT are dynamic and, in every practical sense, prohibit the coin's cost from moving, all things considered, higher in a truly significant way. Stpn execution. The cost of Stepn GMT sort of is at 29 cents, up 25.02 in the exact beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 36.35 over the course of the week, demonstrating how Stepn backing and obstruction are significant specialized markers used to recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a sort of huge way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 346717663. Stpn value analysis. GMT cost investigation for July 19, 2023, inside a very everyday time span for the most part, made sense of beneath, which truly shows that right now an essentially broad, exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in a real sense thought. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union indifference macked backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving commonly normal SMA and dramatic moving truly normal EMA to examine the future development of the Stepn, showing that there in every practical sense are right around 1104,192,453 in a real sense are available for use out of 5,556,642,5,803, or so they by and large thought. The overall strength file RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 37, which in every practical sense shows that, however, prior to jumping certainly Profound into the GMT specialized examination truly let us generally discuss the for the most part current economic situations which sort of is very huge while GMT's Williams percent or pointer generally is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. Despite the fact that the MACD line by and large is remaining beneath the actually signal line after a hybrid especially farther appearance, a change extremely signal generally is genuinely achievable at this reach most likely. How true are the following Stepn GMT help and obstruction levels? Execution of Stpn. The cost of Stpn GMT truly is a 29 cents up 25.02 and the truly beyond 24 hours and sort of has a value change of 36.35 over the course of the week, demonstrating how step backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant special-sized pointers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of huge manner. Stepn financial backers must remain vigilant for any shift in direction. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and how people feel about the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Let's take a look at the technical side of the market and see what we can figure out about the Bitcoin price. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, had a big drop in value and was getting close to $28,850. But a recent doji candle that closed just above this key level shows that bearish sentiment may be weakening. Also, the presence of a doji candle and a spinning top candle near the $28,800 mark makes a bullish trend or decline more likely. Also, both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, are in the oversold zone, which makes it more likely that the price will turn up. It is important to keep a close eye on the $28,850 level, because a break above it could cause Bitcoin to aim for $29,500, which is an instant resistance level. This area of resistance is in line with the 50-day exponential movement